Hello there, this is Esan from Sesami, and I want to share with you our latest update today. This new feature is called Bookings Without Orders. What does that mean? Let's take a look at the problems we've had. I can admit today that our online to offline customer journey has not been ideal. Why? Because people booking online, we create an order and they come into store, then we had to either create a duplicate order because we didn't have a flexible options for modifications, or we wanted to add a add-on or sell a product together with that service. They had to create another order. That meant creating multiple orders for different things, and they couldn't pay once for all of them. Also, we've heard feedback about messed up sales report. All those appointments that are in, they might not happen today. You're usually booking for a later date. So you get orders on the system where was not happened yet. And so we wanted to make it better. The other thing was order fulfillment chaos, because all these orders coming through without actually service happened yet. So we had to deal with a lot of order statuses, making sure that you're tracking things right and the fulfillment is not being bothered. The other thing was, because an order was already created, when you were checking out customers in the store, they couldn't tip for the full amount of the order. In general, the tipping didn't work because Shopify POS doesn't accept tips for orders that are existing. It's like editing the orders, right? So because of all that, and also for those who are using Sesame for marketing purposes, sales and marketing for in-store shoppings, or you use Sesame as a lead acquisition tool to have people use our best converting booking experience to book and come in store or do an online session, they didn't really need the orders. And for all that reasons, we came up with this idea that we've been working on for a long time. And the solution is we kind of detach the concept of bookings from orders. We create bookings and we will have the option to attach them to turn them into orders. So what's changed? There is a new feature that you can activate. So if you don't want orders to be created on the spot using our instant booking, you have the option to turn that off. By default, it's the same as before, creating orders unless you don't want them. So you just uncheck that. I'm going to show you in a minute. Then on the admin side, the booking creation flow is changed. So now for you to do the booking, instead of selecting the time, creating a draft order, and then turn that into an order for it to sit on a calendar, you can simply book and then attach it to an order by creating a draft order and change that. You might ask, okay, we're going to create all these orders from instant booking or admin. How can we turn them into orders? As I said, on the admin side, you can easily do that on the go. For those who are using instant booking for customers to book themselves, they're going to get the bookings without orders. And what you can use is our all new POS tile. You can use that to actually do the proper checkout in person. I'm going to show you that as well. Let's dive into the online store. This is a normal landing page for us. You have the booking, you click on it, and there's no change here. Basically, you're just booking the appointment. And if the option is selected on the back end, so it's going to be here under services. If you want this booking, don't create a Shopify order, you just uncheck that. What does that mean? If you save this and I continue with this booking, then it will just give me a booking with no order. On the admin side, you go to calendar, book, you find the time you want, you select the customer, and now confirm. If you remember, instead of confirm, we had create a draft order here. Now it's changed to confirm. That means once you click confirm, the booking is done. It's on the calendar. Yes, it says it's pending because it's a booking pending payment or pending a transaction information attached to it. Now what you can do, now you can easily turn that into a draft order and invoice your client if you want to be paid for that invoice, for that booking. Now, let me show you the new POS tile where you can easily browse your booking, going through your bookings, and do the proper checkout experience as we all expect. So here I am on the Shopify POS. So you got to add a new tile. As I said, we have an all new tile on the Shopify POS. You tap on apps Sesami, and then you have the first one is a new one that we have. We've just added the new Sesami tile. You just tap on it. It will look and feel like a Shopify POS elements. It's because it's built by the POS UI extension. I just pull up the bookings. There's this booking that I just made online. As you can see, there's no order attached to it. I just tap on it. Now, obviously, I can do to check in and no show as the previous tile that we had on the calendar, but also you can add to cart. Here's where the magic happens. You click add to cart, and now it's when you would basically check out customer. So we have a whole new checkout experience, and this is where the magic happens. I can now check out, and that's where I can add tips. I can add any other item to this transaction. It's going to create one order. There's a lot more to it, so we're going to create a new video dedicated to this POS tile that we just shipped. So you can look out for that. But for now, I can just check out with any other items into my cart, and then that will create the order for me. You open the booking again, you're going to see that order now has an order. On the right side, you see there's an order number attached to it, and it says pending payment because I didn't pay. Thank you for watching, and if you have any feedback, I'm pretty sure you have, we're all ears. Share your comments with us. We're here to listen to you and make this better.